Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video we're going to do an installation of the screen protector for your Tesla Model 3 and of course the Y as well. So stay tuned. Peace. Alright, so let's go ahead and take out and see what we have inside the box. Alright, so here are the first things. We have the little stickers. These little stickers you're going to use to clean the screen. Make sure there's no debris on it and all that. So this is the thing. And the other thing is a squeegee, which is really important to have. So, and of course the cleaning wipe that you're going to clean the screen before we put this down. We have a little thank you instructions on the other side, and then we have the screen, which I'm not going to take out of the plastic here now because I don't want to get it dirty or anything like that, but we're going to go ahead and install it. So here we go. All right, so here we have the cleaner, a little cleaning cloth, and the little stickers. These little stickers, you take them off and we're going to stick them on the screen to take off any particles of dust or anything like that. And you have the squeegee right here. Okay, we have that clean already, but now we're going to use this thing here to clean the screen. So let's get this open and open the whole little thing. It's a little wipe. It's wet. We're going to go ahead and rub it on the screen there. Let's open it up well. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and rub the screen. And you see what just happened here right now? I did this on purpose because this is the same thing that's going to happen to you. You have to put this screen on cleaning mode. This is important. So what you do is you come down here, you press the little car, open up here, go to display, and you see right there, screen clean mode. You press on that. Right now nothing is going to move, and now we can go ahead and wipe it. So let's go ahead and wipe it clean, side to side. Make sure you got it all completely, all the edges, side to side. And what I like to do is like turn it around, because if it's dirty now, we'll go ahead and turn it around and do it again. We want to make sure that there's no fingerprints on here before you put that screen protector. Clean and clean. All right, perfect. Now we can take this off. We get the little cloth. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it down with the cloth. I think it looks really good now. Okay, and the next thing, little stickers. I'm gonna take one off. And we're going to go ahead and do this everywhere on the screen, especially if you see a little tiny little thing somewhere. Make sure you pick it up with this. Any lint or anything on there, it's going to come off. Now there's only one thing that I'm seeing on this one here. I can see like little pieces of glue under there. I see a little thing here. That right there was a little piece of lint we just picked up. I see one here. I don't know about this one here. Yeah, there it is. Okay, now we got it. Here. Okay. You know what? I'm not. There's one there.
Like a little smudge there.
Yeah, that's why I'm getting this, because I like to clean it again, because this tape is leaving like little, I don't know if it's the glue of it or what it is. And this here, see, that's the sun hitting right there. It looks like a little smudge, but it isn't.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's clean everywhere. Yeah, just look around, make sure everything's out and clean. You don't see any debris or any lint or anything anywhere, which I think that's good enough. On your side there, can you see it clearly there?
Everything looks perfect.
It looks perfect on that side. Okay, so now we're ready to install the screen protector. Okay, right here it says a number 1 right there. This is the first thing you're going to do before we install it on the screen. This little piece here, it's going to take off this little plastic protectant that it has on this side. So first, before that, I want to explain here, this side here with the red tape on this side and this little rounded off area, it's going to go on like this on the screen. Okay, so that's the way we're going to put it on there. So number one, we're going to take off the screen protector. All right, we'll take it all off. Just do it carefully. And there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this on the screen. There's no way to put it on wrong because this only goes on one way. Just right there. And then here, you're gonna grab your finger and put it on here and squeeze here. It says to squeeze for a little while there. It's a little uncomfortable because the steering wheel is in the way. It says to press there for a little while. All right, so we press here for about 5 seconds, and now you get this red tape here and you pull it out from in there, just like that. Okay, is it off? Yeah, it's off now. Now you can see this whole thing is going sideways like that, so everything is covering the screen now. You can see it moving there all the way to the edge. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see it, and it's almost right there now, getting all the way to the edge, and it just got to the edge right now. Okay, after you take off the red tape out of here, you have to give it 15 seconds. Let it sit there for 15 seconds, and then you're ready to take off the plastic frame. So we're going to pull it from here like that and take it off. There we go. Okay, put that to the side, and then you see this little tab right here. There's a clear tab right here. That's the protectant of the screen protector. So I'm going to take that off now. There you go. Put that aside. And now you'll have a little bubble in the middle here, which is normal. So we're going to just go ahead and squeegee down into the side until you get it all out completely. It's just some air bubbles. They will come off. There you go. That's the other one. Let's do this one here, and then the last one. And there we go. Now everything is off. There's no air bubbles. Sometimes it'll come back again. Just redo it again. Sometimes you got to give it a little pressure.
You got that one there.
Little pressure. There's another one here. Little pressure. Not too much. You don't have to really kill it. I think we got them all now. Do you see any from your side there?
No, everything looks good on this side.
Yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just
only I think right here is this one, or is that just a fingerprint?
Let me see.
Or is this sun? No, it's a fingerprint or something. See?
Yeah, it's a little bit, but it's coming off, no? Is it?
I don't know if it's a smudge or.
You see? Well, we'll run the little towel over it now. I like to do it all over the place, so that way, make sure everything's sticking well. But I think we got all the air bubbles out. Everything is out now. Yep, I think we're, let me see, there maybe. You'll probably see one or two here and there, but it's gonna go away on its own. And that's all it is. It's real simple installation. This is one of the easiest installation I've done. And being as big as this screen is, it hasn't been really been too horrible to do. It's real simple. Anybody can do this. All right, so we're all done. We're packing up here, and all this stuff here is all recyclable. So go ahead and put it in the recycle bin and get it recycled. Be good to the environment. It looks really good. There's no fingerprints you can see as much. I think it's perfect. All right, so the next thing that I'm doing here is just rubbing it side to side. And if you see something in the middle like that there, I don't know, I've been rubbing and rubbing for the last 30 minutes. Just kidding, but it's really just the sun. So if you see something there and you can't take it off, just make sure it's not the sun hitting it right there. So anyway, it looks like we have the whole thing installed and it looks good. We're just rubbing it with the little cloth that it comes with, and I think we're done. So now the next thing we're going to do is you want to turn on the screen again. You've got to press and hold. It says it right there. So we're going to press here, hold it down. You'll see a countdown right there, and there we go. Now we're back and the screen protector is installed. I highly recommend that you do this because you protect that screen from anything, from hitting, from scratching, from anything in the planet. And I'm really happy with the other model that I did, and it's been on there for 6 months and I'm super happy with it. This one here is the silk look, so that means you won't see your fingerprints as much. The shiny one, it's really difficult because it's always going to get fingerprints all over and it gets dirty and you have to be cleaning it all the time. But this one, having a silk slightly matte finish on it, it's going to cover up the fingerprints more. You won't see them as much. So we're all done. Here we go. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope this helps you install your screen protector. I'll have a link in the description for this screen protector if you want one like this one. They're really inexpensive, but it's highly recommended that you have it on to protect that screen. Thank you so much for watching.